himself with the load that masters him. The end behind reproaches the beginning's whim. So a man who begins well must take good care and trim, that the beginning with the end may find its matching rim. For at the beginning honor follows, as men say, when at the end is praise, and praise is in the end's always. Of fair words and of fair deeds these ways. A good beginning is knowledge and understanding, loyal charity and faith and hope expanding. Let a man hold in deed and word and believing standing. For a beginning without its end makes small advancing. For great beginners we find always many in the refectories, bays, and settled in other places stays, with too much of buts and ifs and mays. Between a flock of wool and a gambeson there's a difference, as between dawn and bright day to my sense. For when a man goes to the minster to do penitence, he does not put on his gambeston or take his lance, nor bears colored claws in array, no sparrowhawks nor hawks for prey, but does what his rule says always, to go into paradise array. There are some who go to swear obedience, yet after the oath they'd need a surety's defense. For that man keeps not chastity nor patience, but strikes and breaks and thrusts and hurls stones from his fence. Yet still one will see priors in the fray, fighting and jousting in the play, but he resembles Saint Denis, still I say, who shames himself for another in such a way. Rich men are not at all from Valence, but from Gap and from Malbec outside of France. From Baux and from Creux is their seats, provenance of mocking and of trampling great is their dance, and their